I mean, this is like an entire PhD if you're lucky to do something like this. It's insane.
You know, we're all excited to get our hands on like equipment and tools and materials. Just a very like creative, super fun, happy environment.
Oh, less than a towel. We're not getting closer than that.
Okay.
A moment which has happened every single day during this workshop that has stuck out for me is the collaborative nature.
For our first pass, and then we're going to come to 0.081.
Smack that, and that locks it in.
Nothing's fun. We don't have fun here.
Temperature logger, computer-aided design, laser cutting, 3D printing. You don't want to be regretting and thinking, oh, what if, right? I'd say just go for it.